Hey guys, how's it going? I'm Brandon here. So I replaced those bad voltage regulators. Didn't seem to fix my problem. I think I've narrowed it down to a bad fuel driver in the ECU from a friend of a friend. So today I'm gonna be taking off my ECU and so I can get it packaged up and sent off to get it kind of diagnosed and hopefully fix my problem. But today we're gonna show you how I take off the ECU on a Mercury motor. Okay, so the first step before you disconnect anything, you want to obviously disconnect your battery, turn off all your power to the motor, so you're not mess up anything. From what I'm told, that can kind of cause some kind of locking up your motor. Basically, when you put it back on and try to start it, it won't start. So make sure you disconnect all your power from it before you get started taking it off. Just like that, came off. Fairly easy to pull off. So what they think's wrong with this is what kind of we've figured out is there's a loose fuel driver in the ECU. So I'm gonna have somebody connect it to their computer, run diagnostics on it, and hopefully be able to fix whatever's inside. I don't know if they're like fusing that together. Not really sure on that part, but I'm just gonna package it up and send it off. But as you can see, it was pretty easy to take off. You know, just a few screws, the bolts in the top, one down here in the bottom, and then this slid right off this little tube here, and then unscrewing the cord from the main engine, and I mean, it's fairly easy. So we're gonna ship it off and hopefully that fixes my problem, but I'll let you know regardless of how it goes.